These influencers are making money online right now. And most people have no idea they're completely AI generated. No camera, no filming crew, no expensive setup. And in this video, I'll show you how I created a hyper-realistic AI influencer using ChatGPT and Vidu AI. We'll create a consistent influencer character, generate cinematic scenes, build a reference library, and turn everything into realistic AI videos using Vidu Q3. So without wasting any time, let's jump into ChatGPT. Here, I'll use this prompt. Create one ultra-realistic female AI influencer character and generate the first image as a professional 3-view character sheet showing the same girl in front view, side view, and back view in a single image. Keep the face, hairstyle, body type, outfit identity, and overall appearance fully consistent across all views. Then create 3 short consistent image prompts using the same girl but in different cinematic environments like luxury coffee shops, fashion studios, city streets, and aesthetic lifestyle locations. ChatGPT also generates all the cinematic animation prompts that we'll later use inside Vidu AI. Now I'll head over to Vidu AI and open text to image. I'll paste the master character prompt from ChatGPT, keep most settings on default, select the latest GPT Image 2 model, and click Generate. Within a few moments, Vidu creates a realistic influencer together with a professional 3-view character sheet showing the front, side, and back view of the same girl. This part is extremely important because the 3-view reference helps Vidu understand the influencer from multiple angles while preserving the same face shape, hairstyle, body proportions, and overall identity. Next, I'll save everything inside the reference hub and name the character Sophia. This basically creates a complete character asset library that Vidu can later use during image generation and video animation. Instead of relying on only one image, Vidu now understands Sophia's identity from multiple angles, which helps maintain much stronger consistency across future scenes, outfits, camera angles, and cinematic videos. Now I'll open reference to image and select the Sophia asset library I just created. Then I'll head back to ChatGPT, copy one of the consistent scene prompts, and paste it directly into Vidu. These prompts already describe the outfit, environment, mood, and cinematic setup while keeping the same influencer identity. After clicking Generate, Vidu creates another realistic scene using the same girl, but in a completely different environment and outfit while still preserving facial consistency, hairstyle, and overall appearance. I'll repeat the same process for multiple cinematic lifestyle scenes like luxury coffee shops, fashion-style city shots, luxury apartment scenes, and aesthetic influencer environments. And within just a few minutes, I now have a complete set of professional influencer images that all feel like they belong to the same real person. Every scene still maintains the same face, same hairstyle, and same influencer identity, even though the locations and outfits are changing. Now it's time to animate everything. I'll open reference to video inside Vidu AI. First, I'll select my character Sophia from the reference hub. Then I'll type Sophia sitting in and select my coffee shop scene image as the second reference. Next, I'll head back to ChatGPT, copy the cinematic animation prompt created for this exact scene, and paste it directly into Vidu. Now we have 2 references working together, one for the character and one for the environment. This is important because it helps Vidu maintain both character consistency and scene consistency at the same time. The character reference keeps Sophia's face, hairstyle, and overall identity consistent, while the scene reference helps preserve the environment, lighting, overall visual style throughout the generation. For the model, I'll select Vidu Q3, which is currently Vidu's most advanced model for cinematic storytelling. Vidu Q3 is especially strong at realistic character motion, natural facial expressions, smooth camera movement, scene consistency. It can also generate environmental atmosphere, ambient audio elements, and more immersive cinematic results directly from detailed prompts. The aspect ratio set to 9:16 since this format works best for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. I'll simply click Generate and let Vidu bring the entire scene to life. Complete with realistic motion, premium visuals, natural expressions, and professional influencer style aesthetics. And honestly, this is the craziest part of the entire workflow, because just a few minutes ago, this influencer didn't even exist. For the next all scenes, I'll follow the exact same workflow. I'll keep using my Sophia character reference to maintain identity consistency, and then add a new scene reference to control the environment and overall visual style. This allows Vidu to preserve both the character and the scene while generating a completely new cinematic sequence. Using ChatGPT for prompts and Vidu Q3 for generation, we've successfully created a complete hyper-realistic AI influencer with cinematic lifestyle scenes, realistic motion, professional consistency, and social media-ready content entirely with AI. And as you can see, the entire workflow is actually much easier than most people think. You can use these AI influencers for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, faceless brands, affiliate marketing, influencer pages, or even UGC-style ads for businesses and products. If you want to try this workflow yourself, I'll leave the Vidu AI link down in the description below.